Good afternoon, my name is Alex Webb and I'm here to show you a SKODA Kodiaq. This is the gorgeous petrol blue metallic painted SE 2-litre diesel manual edition, obviously registered in 2017, you can see at the front there. And the 5-seat model as well, which is quite a rarity to find. Just gives you that massive boot space in the middle, which I will get into more detail of. So thanks very much for tuning in, guys. I'll try and touch on some of the main features as I go around, and if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch. So as I say, this is the petrol blue metallic paint with the gorgeous 18-inch silver alloy wheels on there as well. Just to go down the side and give you a little bit more of a view of the whole side of it. Really nice the whole way around. Gorgeously looked after car. You've actually got your rear parking sensors on the back of this one as well. Actually, it's quite a big beast, and they do make it incredibly easy to park it. Having driven one of these for about 6 months myself as my own car. So I'll show you just inside the boot. So just inside there, absolutely monstrous space inside, loads and loads of room. It's hard to give you kind of a visual of the depth of it, but it is absolutely massive. You've then got your luggage hook, on the side there for your shopping bags. This one actually comes with a full-sized spare wheel, which is definitely a rarity nowadays as well. And then you've got the retractable parcel shelf just in the middle there, guys. And then you have the option as well to split the seats and put those down too. So really big boot space inside. Looks absolutely gorgeous. This is probably the most popular colour that we sell the Kodiaq in. As I say, the petrol blue. Just to show you inside in the back, guys, as well. Massive amount of room in there. So 3 cloth huggy seats, 2-tone with the grey and black. Really comfortable, and my god, do you get some leg room. You can literally lie down vertically in here if you wanted to. You've then got the electric window controls, which is just on the side, just down there. But as I say, just to give you an idea of the condition, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Really nicely looked after in here. Looks awesome. And then just moving over to the front, guys, as well. So inside the cockpit there, you've got your 2, again, cloth huggy seats. You've got your electric window controls on the right-hand side with the wing mirror controls as well. You've then got your automatic lights and windscreen wiper features. Moving into the centre, you've got your dominant prominent SKODA badge there in the centre with your audio mounted controls and the mileage, which is currently sitting at 20,039 miles. Moving over slightly, guys, as well. So this one, as I say, this one's one of the 2-litre diesel manual 6-geared 4x4 models with the electronic parking brake. You've then got dual zone climate control, so different temperature driver and passenger side. And then you've got a huge touchscreen in the middle. Now, a lot of our customers do ask, has the car got sat-nav? Well, this one doesn't come with it as standard, but a lot of people now are using Google Maps on their phone. And this features one of our main selling points that we use on the cars, which is something called SmartLink. And it allows you to basically mirror your phone screen onto the screen in the car. So if you want to run Google Maps, get the latest traffic updates, plug it in via USB cable, and it'll mirror it onto the screen on there. You also get DAB digital radio, AM and FM, Bluetooth, and a load of other cool things as well. But as I say, just to kind of give you as much of an idea as I can of this inside of the car, there you are. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Really nicely looked after. So thanks very much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to come and have a little look at the Kodiaq. If you would like to get in touch with myself, call me on 01905 830 361. Just ask for Alex Webb and I'll be more than happy to take you guys out for a test drive. Or you can email me at alexander.webb, which is WEBB, at startingroup, all one word, .co.uk. But failing that, thanks very much for watching and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.